This is how you can use Gemini AI to get an answer very quickly when you're using Google Chrome. So what you need to do here is that you have to click on the address bar, and if there is any URL, then you have to remove it first. So it's going to be completely empty. And after that, you can type the @ symbol, which is the same @ when you are typing your email address. Now there's going to be a selection that says Gemini. You can go to that option, and basically now you can start writing the question or writing the prompt that you want to ask to Gemini. Or you can also just type the Gemini keyword manually, like this one, Gemini, and then press the tab key on the keyboard. And now you are on the Gemini mode. It's up to you which method that you prefer the most. And then here you can start writing the question. Let's say I want to ask a question about what is the latest news from OpenAI. That's the question, and then you can press the enter key on the keyboard to send the message or send the prompt to Gemini, and it will redirect you to this page, the Gemini page, and AI will start gathering data from the internet and then compiling all the answer into one simple, concise summary. And this is the result, and I would say that's in some way a lot faster than when you are going to Google and then search the information manually. So there is a value of using this method on Google Chrome. Now, there's another thing that you need to know. This method works even if you're using the incognito window. So you don't have to be logged in to your Google account in order to access Gemini integration. Let me give you a demonstration. Let's open an incognito window and then type @Gemini again, and then press the tab key on the keyboard and start asking a question. News from, let's say, Perplexity AI. Enter, and it will redirect me to the Gemini web page, and it will answer my question as usual. I would say that's really amazing that we don't have to be in the Google ecosystem or Google account first in order to access this useful AI feature. So you might be asking, can we integrate this, or can we replace the conventional Google search with Gemini? After all, they are from the same company. Well, unfortunately, there is no way you can set up Google Chrome to naturally use Gemini every time you are asking something via address bar or via Google search. I have explored that idea, but it doesn't work. There's no way at the moment to enable that. But it is possible to use Perplexity AI to replace Google search on Google Chrome. So I have made a video on that topic. You can check out my channel if you're interested. But that's basically how you can use Gemini AI directly on Google Chrome. I hope you find this video useful, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.